I'm gonna be waxing my own armpits. I'm using Sexy Smooth, their wax, and I showed y'all all the other stuff. Sorry, I'm tired. Hold on. Okay. Anyways, y'all, it's pretty hard to wax your own armpits because, well, okay, it's not extremely hard, but yeah. But yeah, I went and got more wax, obviously, because baby, that it'll be the amount of wax is not gonna cut it. But yeah, don't mind my boyfriend playing the game in the background with his friends. They loud. Yes, it hurt, and it did. And you know, one of y'all estheticians tell y'all need to make sure that y'all are exfoliating. We can see it because, as y'all can see, I have dead skin on my wax strip because I ain't been exfoliating, but don't attack me. Yeah, but yeah, this is basically self-explanatory. You know, I do the same thing, and I put the wax stick on there so it's easier for me to actually pull it. I'm left-handed. I'm not right-handed. Yes, and that did hurt yet again. And I did some extractions, like 4, and yeah, I follow up with the wax remover, and I added aloe afterwards. And that's really about it. Not too much, but yeah. Bye.